everybody, Joy here, your licensed master esthetician, and I'm also a yoga teacher and a meditation teacher. Today we are focused on winter skincare, so that tends to be a little bit drier, maybe dehydrated, and know that the difference between dry and dehydrated is dehydrated skin is lack of water and dry skin is lack of oil. And the older you get, the slower your cells turn over, the slower it is to produce oils for the top of the skin. So this is really for you. If you have acne or very oily skin, this is not for you. Okay, so with that said, we're gonna use a collagen mask. Use one of your choice. I like to use ingredients like collagen, but know that collagen masks are hydrating, but they're not gonna help you produce more collagen. It's really just for that moisture aspect and drawing moisture into the skin. So collagen, hyaluronic acid, ceramides are great, silica, beta-glucan, and I'll list any others that I forget right here. You're gonna wanna have that mask. If you feel like you want added moisture, then you will add a serum on top of that. So I will be, because this is a collagen mask and it doesn't have the silica in it, I want to add that as well because my skin does feel dehydrated and dry. You're gonna make sure that you have a clean face, and then if you haven't exfoliated in the last month and your skin is looking a little bit dull, then I would use either a pad of choice or use a gentle cleanser. But if you are an exfoliator, know that I would rather you do less than more, like 1 to 2 times a month. Really save it for when you see your esthetician. Okay, so with that said, we're gonna get ready to do our hydrating face mask routine. Let's get going.
Place the hands over the heart, take a nice deep breath in, feel the whole torso expand, and exhale out. Now I'm going to go in with a hydrating serum, and this is completely optional. If you want to add in more hydration, just remember, it has to be different ingredients than your mask. I'm using a Centella asiatica, which is also called Cica. This is an antioxidant, it's hydrating, and it has soothing properties. But again, completely optional if you're going to add in more hydration. But what you're going to do is really start to use circular motions as you apply the product. If your skin is really red and irritated, do not rub it in. You're just going to want to press into the skin instead. Massaging into the skin is going to increase warmth and circulation and open up blood vessels. Remember to use extremely light pressure, and you can do gentle circles going up and out along the face. Soften the muscles of the face. Breathe easily. Light pressure. Never neglect your hands. Always think about your hands with healthy aging. Take a nice deep breath in, exhale out. Soften the muscles of the face. Feel the shoulders let go, and feel the support of the ground underneath you. Let's get ready to apply our mask. Applying the face mask, you know how there's eye and mouth cutouts? Well, make sure that you use those on a specific area that you want to focus in on. Now we're going to be applying the face mask on the face, and then we're going to flip it over, apply it on the neck, and apply it on the hands. Remember that healthy skin aging, you are not neglecting your neck or your décolleté or your hands. Those areas see the sun just as much as your face. Any excess product that is in the package, I'm going to squeeze it out on my hands, apply it on the neck, apply it on the décolleté, apply it on my hands, smoothing it out, making sure there's no creases. And if you're using a collagen-based face mask like I am, know that it's very moisturizing. You can use it day or night, and it pairs well with most ingredients, active ingredients. But you always want to test patch for 48 to 72 hours prior to using. Now sit in a comfortable position, Feel the support of the ground underneath you, and if you would like to close your eyes right now, feel free to do so. Feel grounded and feel yourself breathe with ease. Now we're going to go into one round of equal breathing. You're going to inhale a 4 count and exhale a 4 count. Here we go. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. And then breathe normally. Now we're going to go into a body scan of the head and shoulders. I'm going to call out a body part, and you're going to visualize that area softening as I call it out. Feel the top of the head soften. Feel the muscles of the forehead soften. The temples, the eyebrows, in between the eyes, the eyelids, the eye sockets, and feel the eyes sink in the sockets. The cheeks, the nose, the lips, the inside of the cheeks, the gums, and even your teeth soften. The jaw, the neck, the throat, the shoulders. Breathe easily. Let go. Take a nice deep breath in. Exhale out. And then transition back into that easy, effortless breath. Feeling that flow of breath in and out like a wave. Going back into another round of equal breathing. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. And breathe normal. Visualize breathing into your cells. Your cells are the building blocks of your body. Pumping oxygen and clarity into your body. As you breathe, think of the nourishment that this mask is giving your skin. Your skin is the protector of your body. Have gratitude for your skin. Shifting your focus back to your breath. Easy breathing. Flow of breath in and out. Pumping vital oxygen to the body. Now, if you would like to leave the mask on your face for another 5 minutes, then please feel free to do so. Otherwise, what we're going to do is peel the mask off and apply the other side to the neck and to the décolleté if you would like. So flipping it over can be a little bit tricky. Just have a little bit of patience for it. And then after you apply it to your neck, you can lay down because it's easier to keep it in place. And then we'll go back to equal breathing, inhaling for 4 and exhaling for 4. I'll do the first one with you. Here we go. Inhale, 2, 3, 4. Exhale, 2, 3, 4. And repeat for a few more rounds at your own pace. Once you finish that round, go back to normal, easy breathing. As you breathe, know that you can keep this mask on your neck for 5 to 10 minutes. But if you would like to transition and have the mask onto the top of the hands for a little bit, feel free to move the mask to the hands. I'm tearing it apart here for the top of the hands, because your hands see all the elements, all the environmental stressors, the UV damage. So it is important to get in a little hand therapy as well. Rest your hands on your lap, breathe, and feel the cool mask on the top of the hands nourishing your skin. Feel free to leave the mask on your hands for about 5 minutes if you'd like. Otherwise, you're going to scrub the mask onto the hands to get the remainder of the ingredients onto the top of the hands. Finish off with your finishing products, moisturizer, and sunscreen if it's during the day.
All right, that's your hydrating mask routine. So know that using a mask is like a supplement for your body. So you want to think 1 to 2 times a week using a mask for whatever skin conditions that you are seeing with your skin. Have your esthetician and your dermatologist help you out if you're not sure. Also think about your food intake. So for dehydration, really focusing on water intake and your water-based foods, fruits and vegetables and things like that. And then for dry skin, meaning you're lacking oil, then you want to think of healthy fats, so flax seeds and nuts and avocado and salmon, thinking inside out with the body, right? All right, so if you have any questions, let me know, like and subscribe, and until next time, see ya, bye, have a great day.